Matu and Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can apply a clipping mask. A clipping mask will basically cut away everything so that it fits within an object that's below. So we want all of our images to fit inside the writing. You can see how we set it up in our last video with our 4 different images. Now they're not perfect, but they're pretty good. We've applied a layer mask to each of them just to get the bit that we want. Now what we want to do is we're going to apply this clipping mask, and let's have a look to see what we end up with. So to get things set up, first thing I'm going to do, on my text layer, I'm going to bring that opacity right back up again so that it's solid. Now I'm going to drag my text layer, hold down my left mouse button, drag it down until it's below all of the images. So now it's sitting there behind our 4 images. All I need to do now is I click on my top image, I hold down Shift and I click on my bottom image, so I've selected all 4 images. Now I'm going to right click and choose, there it is, halfway along, Create Clipping Mask. And so what you can see straight away is that I've now got my pictures, one of my pictures in each of the letters of my name. We can see they're not perfect. I probably want to move the fish. I've got a bit of the dog showing there on that one, bit of a black line there. And what I'll show you next is how we can tidy up those.